Welcome to the Cleveland Way, a journey of contrasts across North Yorkshire's stunning landscapes. 109 miles of adventure weaving through the wild heather moorlands, running across the edges of hilltop escarpments, through the ancient woodlands and forests, and along dramatic coastal cliffs. Half inland and half by sea, this national trail really does showcase some of England's most breathtaking and beautiful places and a wide range of biodiversity. Join me, my brother and my best mate as we take the Cleveland Way on, following the guidebook, chapter by chapter, step by step, laugh by laugh. Hello legends, we're halfway through the Cleveland Way and rejoining the adventure from Saltburn as we take on the coastal half of the walk. This is part 2, Sea.
Chapter 6, Saltburn to Staves. From Saltburn, keep the sea on your left and in just under 50 miles you'll arrive in Filey at the end of your walk. The trail is nearly always close to the cliff edge. All cliffs are dangerous, so stay on the path and take special care in windy weather. Remember, your safety is your responsibility.
Yep. Yes.
You'll see evidence of old industrial sites along the cliffs. There are numerous ups and downs along the way, but the bracing sea air will fill your lungs.
Salt and thin.
The weather was pretty bad on this stretch, but it was nice to have the endless views of the sea. Even the Romans set up watch stations here, nearly 2,000 years ago.
Loving memory of Wren, 2010 to 2020. 2002 to the 20th of the 1st, 20...
We weren't the only ones out and about. The rain kept getting worse and I didn't video much more of this section. It was easily the worst few miles of trail.
Well, this is Staves, boys. This is the end of the chapter. Cool, that was tough, wasn't it? Yeah, that was tough. Look at that, though. Look at that. Look at the light. Look at you two. Look at you handsome blokes. Look at smiles there. Look.
Yeah, it's sunny.
Oh.
I needed the sun.
Wow. And it stopped raining finally. Get the other camera out. I could sit there and have a pint, share a bowl of chips or... Oh, I'll share a bowl of chips. You want to do a pint? Yeah, come on, let's do it. Beer, batter, fish and chips, crab sandwich, chips and salad. Plus lots
Yeah, let's do it, Royal George.
We got in there just in time for the football, but conceded as soon as we sat down.
Your thoughts on that then?
Yeah, long day really.
Like that?
Don't know. Long day really.
I think we could.
No. Oh.
off. We might be off.
Live ration.
We left nice and dry and headed off in the dark to find our camping spot.
Hell yeah, baby.
It's annoying you can't focus on it.
Yeah.
Can't press a button to try and make it focus or anything like that.
Chapter 7, Staves to Sand's End. Staves is the first of several attractive coastal villages that you will pass through between here and Filey. Devoted today almost exclusively to the tourism industry, these settlements present a very different face to that of a century or more ago. Isolated by the wild inland moor, their main means of communication and livelihood was the sea. Fishing and smuggling were the main sources of income, with particularly all the community having an involvement. Evidence of several old extractive industries may be seen along this coastline, but nature has healed many of the scars, so the signs are not always obvious.
I always forget this.
Tough steps like these would be the theme for the rest of the trail.
Oh, caught on my t-shirt. Probably go. Oh. Nice. Why am I getting the book out?
You can always lay the book flat on top of that, and then the tripod will sit on the book.
Well, there wasn't an issue of it being flat.
Yeah. Yeah, but as soon as
Go back and get it for your back chat. Go back and get it.
It's your camera.
Damn it.
You've been sticked. Sticky weed. No. Should we have a break on the beach?
Hell yeah, we should have a break on the beach.
Come on then.
I'll put my bag down. Oh, you funny guy.
Chilly now, that sun's gone away.
Drinking that.
Lovely, eh?
Once a thriving fishing village and a hotspot for smugglers, Runswick Bay's rich history is etched into the winding lanes and red-roofed cottages. Today its stretched beach invites tourists for fossil hunting, seaside strolls and salty sea air. Runswick Bay blends old world charm with new sense of adventure.
So,
Hello.
Hello, dog.
We've acquired a dog.
Come on then. He's on the way.
Where's your owner? Go for it again, go on. Day. Do it.
You do that, babe. Not a good boy.
Oh, we've got to step over it. Big step.
Big step. I struggled with that, Kate. Stinging nails, though.
Yeah, you have to brave it, mate.
There you go, I'm ready.
Thanks. Oh my god. Good job. Good job, team.
Good job.
Satisfying noise. More stairs.
You've got to come up somewhere else.
Quarries like these supported local towns like Sandsend. Nowadays it's mostly a tourist spot, with its long beach and usual seaside staples. Thinking.
Wow. 10.5 miles.
10.5 miles, what's Whitby?
No.
Oh, today, done.
10.5 miles left to the hostel.
Oh, nice. Good. Yeah, of course not to Whitby. Oh, that's delicious. Right. What was it? Pistachio something carrot cake. That's my thing. Ready for part 8? From Sands End to Whitby, you can either follow the road or the beach, subject to the state of the tide. But whichever route you take, the distant view of Whitby Abbey will draw you on, which we can actually see. The town itself will hold you for a while. There is so much to see here. The harbour with its bustle of vessels, the historic piers and their ancient lighthouses, the old town with its gaunts and yards, the ancient church of St Mary's. There are plenty of good pubs and probably more fish and chip shops here than anywhere else in the country. The walk from here to Robin Hood's Bay is one of the most popular in the national park, particularly when followed in this direction. High cliffs, distant views and several seabird colonies add variety to a pleasant walk. Sounds good?
I just realised I looked at the camera.
You look at the camera.
Well, so
The next stretch was a bit dull, hugging the road to Whitby, but with such good weather it was hard to be in bad spirit.
Mate, your little hook, you'd be all over here, wouldn't you? He's looking for balls. What you got? Well, that's quite impressive. That does probably look like a pirate ship now with side on.
Whitby lies on the rugged coast and is a town that's steeped in history. From its Viking settlers to the inspiration for Dracula, its cobbled streets and ancient abbey tell tales of the past, while a bustling harbour, fresh seafood and a seaside charm make it a favourable place for visitors. It's a charming place where history and coastal life come together.
Look at these little doors. Look at the abbey on it as well, that's cool.
In the first half I had some shoe trouble and it was lucky that Whitby had a mountain warehouse.
Are we ready?
Here we go. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Ooh, bow, ooh, bow, ooh, bow, ooh, bow, ooh. Ka-chow.
Bye.
I would have kept that if I were you, mate. I'm glad you're not really. Right, bin.
So many sweet shops. Oh. Yeah, she is.
Okay, what good shot. Once we were footstools, now we're bloody stands.
Emptying. Oh, he's wobbling.
On the edge of the cliff!
Oh.
It's not
Oh.
Do you want to put your foot on my foot?
Nah, it's funny watching him jump.
Was it like 16 and 18 miles?
Yeah.
We tough for these 20-mile days. And now we're at the end of the third 20-mile day.
Boshed it.
And yep, here we are.
Whoa.
Robin Hood's Bay was a lovely place with a rich heritage and lots of information on the RNLI.
Stuck.
That way.
Good job you can fit 3 absolutely massive boys down this lane, isn't it?
Just past Robin Hood's Bay is YHA Boggle Hole, our home for the evening.
Cheers, we've done it!
Finally.
Oh, we've done it, boys. We've done it. Up there. Don't know. Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Good job.
This also looks like a food area.
One night, yeah?
That's the one.
Can I just check everyone's photo ID?
Oh, yeah, of course. We knew that was coming as well, didn't we?
So, where have you been here before?
Not here, but different way.
Other Brussels, yeah? So, welcome to Bubble. Are you wanting to eat with us tonight or got your own food?
We were going to eat tonight if possible, yeah.
If food, we're doing full menus of 8:30. I can do pizzas till 10
Okay.
for you.
We didn't let a pizza.
Yeah, I will be getting pizza later.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all in there. What do you know?
Right.
Sure. No, runs the other way. No, or further on. One more.
Go one more. It's one more.
Nine. Hebrides.
What is it? Hebrides?
Oh, perfect. Oh, home.
Yes. Unbelievable.
Home. Shotgun to double bed. No, shotgun do it.
Alright, when it gets to the double bed. Double bed.
Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Ah. Good game. You're now on a bunk bed. I don't want to go on a bed.
baby!
There is no password.
What do you mean?
There is no password.
No, when you go into that one.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at him.
Don't do that because you will make the whole thing topple. No, because that was the biggest one, yeah. That was too big. And there's people next door. It's still early in the morning. Also, yeah, the amount of times I thought you were going to fall through me in the night.
Fall through it?
You were moving and
Fall
the thing
through
was
it?
making a lot of creep.
Fall through it.
It was outrageous.
What are you doing? Right then. Robin Hood's Bay to Scarborough. With Phone Boy.
Pay attention.
So interrupting me with your
Well,
background
give
music.
me my orange.
So I don't know you were leaving.
Give me my orange.
Go for it. Oh, you want it on back now, do you?
Did you shake yourself a banana? Did you just throw that out the window?
Yep.
You gotta go get that.
Let's try.
Better luck next time. Continue.
Okay. So,
How are we just gonna brush it?
wait, I'm just going to brush past it. Robin Hood's Bay to Scarborough. If the tide is favourable, a walk along the shore makes a nice change from the cliff path. A steady climb to Ravenscar passes right through an ancient alum processing site where excellent plaques describe the work. From Ravenscar at 600 feet, it's downhill almost all of the way. There are fine distant views to Scarborough, Filey and the chalk cliffs of Flamborough Head.
After crossing the footbridge at Scarborough Mills, you have the dubious pleasure of walking on concrete for a mile or two as you head around the castle.
Great fun.
But that's fine, because we'll be at the Airbnb by then, so we can drop stuff off and do that time with all our bags.
Yay.
Alternatively, you could sneak a ride on the open-top bus and still enjoy the views. Which we can also do.
Yeah, I like that one.
John Joe.
Funny, him on the door, yeah. I was sitting behind you, I thought you'd see me in the mirror. Come on then. Oh. Bye, room. Ready to make you laugh.
It was a gloomy, grey morning as we left the hostel, and our views were shortened by the sea fog.
Lovely place, eh? Don't do that. No, I can't use it. Now we have to go back. Now we're going to go back. We're going to go back. And we're going to do it again. Are we ready? No! No! No. Right, we're wasting footage now, aren't we? Yeah. Oh. No, there's people coming now. It is so foggy, isn't it?
Yeah, we're in a cloud.
You see all of this blowing across here. Isn't that lovely? Whoa, look where you're walking. Raven's caught up. Pretty cute, pretty cute. Yeah, got up.
My Carmex is in there.
Thieving the Carmex.
I'm pretty sure it was returned, but it's now not with me.
Thief!
No, that's your own, that's my story. Yep, that's it. Will I have G? Yep.
Oh, lost.
May I please have some of your Carmex?
Oh, wow. That is so cool.
Alum is a naturally occurring mineral once vital to the dyeing industry. It helped fix colours to fabric and was mined along the Yorkshire coast for centuries. Today, its legacy lives on in the ruins that we pass along the way.
Read that. Should we go in?
I mean, it's a visitor centre, we should go in.
It's midday.
It's never too early for an ice cream.
Never too early for ice cream. There's a door. Thanks, guys. Have a nice day. We will.
Thank you.
You got that?
Yep.
Yummy.
Delicious.
What about you? Yummy?
Mm-hmm.
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 We're miles away from it.
this one.
Go on that next bit then. Okay. I spotted my little eye, something beginning with C.
Clouds.
Yes.
So many clouds.
You lot think you're so funny, don't you? Just chitter chatter in my ear. All I get. All I
Oh
get.
yeah, should we go? Yeah, cool. Let's get moving then. Oh, hold on, wait a second.
Oh, let me run back. Wait for me.
You want to go for this one?
No, I don't.
Yeah. I mean, it's sturdy, but
This one's okay. That one back there. That one back there's got like 2 years left.
Oh yeah, those first stairs were a bit
Scary.
yeah, it's quite tough down here. It's quite tough down here. Whoa, nearly fell and died. Is it a nice waterfall?
As we got later into the afternoon, most of the cloud had lifted and we could see Scarborough in our sights. Its castle being the commanding feature on the hill.
What, I just zoomed past. They've all got different names, like Puffin, Penguin, oh not all, just them two.
after the peak.
89, 87. There's the one stop that I said's opposite, so that'll give it away. Oh, there it is. There's the pad. There she is. Nice.
Yeah, do a Rocky, won't we? Right. Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, no, he's won again!
Yes!
Chapter 10, the last bit. Scarborough to Filey. Maybe we should turn south. Should we turn south?
The next 42 years. Best thing I've...
Nice. It's only a short one, to be fair. Chapter 10, Scarborough to Filey. 10.5 miles, that's it. Nice. Pretty much left. Scarborough's two fine bays are divided by a dramatic headland capped by an ancient castle. Each bay has its own character. North Bay showing a younger face, partially fringed with Victorian properties, while South Bay, the oldest part of town, shows a more active face with its harbour, shops and amusement arcades. Oh, arcades, we've got 2p machines.
Hell yeah. Need some poundies.
I'm going to win a toy. South from the town, the way passes several different bays, each a reflection of the changed geology, before it finally terminates in the long dramatic promontory of Filey Brig and the end of your Cleveland Way walk. That's it.
Scarborough is Yorkshire's original seaside resort, blending golden beaches with rich history. Towering above the town is Scarborough Castle, a mighty fortress with over 3,000 years of stories. From Iron Age settlements to Civil War sieges, its crumbling walls have witnessed it all. Its perch on the top of the hill gives a breathtaking view over the North Sea, while below, the town buzzes with life, from traditional amusements to unique independent businesses. It's a place where history really meets the holiday spirit. The seawall had loads of plaques with different facts about the area.
His name may come from starfish, after a Viking said to have landed here in the 1960s AD, or it may simply mean a cliff stronghold.
Just shotted. No. What about this one? What's up? It doesn't work, it's jammed, mate. Oh, I know. He's gonna go. He's gotta be. Yeah! He's stuck! He's stuck! We have to go get him, get the staff. You show him normally. Yeah. Ooh!
Feel it. How have you won that?
Oh, it's so weird. Oh, it's weird. It's so weird. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. The full collection.
We finished up the day with a fish and chips and went off to bed.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Shouting rubbish?
No.
Sounded like it.
The last morning on the trail is always a bittersweet feeling. Your senses get used to the smell of the salty air and the sounds of the waves crashing, feelings which you come to love. Knowing the journey is ending carries a sense of sadness, knowing you'll miss the rhythm of walking, the ever-changing skies and the loss of adventure. While out on the trail, life can feel stripped back, and yet somehow even more real. It's the simple joys of good company as you lace your boots, or the silent sounds of nature carrying in the air as you take a minute to yourself. The path itself can't stay with you, but the memories and joy certainly can.
You guys pick him up by saying it, pinch you.
I know, I just can't get him. It's a bit slippy there, watch out.
Please, can you put this in my bag? Grow up.
Nice tulips.
They are nice tulips. You know, right, these are our steps.
Caton Bay.
Oh, we're going down that, yeah?
Yeah, but that looks fun.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are. Go on then.
Here's rumble jumbling.
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry too, to be fair.
Ready for brekkie.
During World War II, Caton Bay was used as a secret training ground for beach landings. Troops rehearsed right here on the sand, and if you look closely, some of the remains can still be found today.
Oh, lovely, isn't it? Where are the pigeons?
Pigeons!
Oh, there are pigeons on there. Hi, pigeon.
The last 2 miles, boys.
The last 2 miles. Right,
Should we go?
The last 2 miles.
Alright then. Let's get done. Litter.
No litter.
I look good in the last bit, doesn't it?
Trace.
We do leave no trace. Oh. That's it. Near there, the gloves are coming off. The gloves are coming off. Yeah, we're well close. Wow. Wonder if this one says 109 miles. Yeah, it does. It's also covered in bird poo. Yeah. 109. That is it. Done it.
Done it.
It says all Saltburn, Whitby, Ravenscar. All the other place.
Bash!
Boom. Yeah, good hustling.
Put it there.
Good hustling.
Good job.
Wow. Shall I politely ask?
Yeah.
Hiya, would you please be able to take a photo of us? Thank you. We have, yeah. Thank you. It's been amazing. It's been the best walk we've done so far. Yeah, it was a bit cloudy yesterday, but the first half was amazing. Where did you want? Sorry, did you want to?
You do realise that up at Saltburn, there's an extra 4 miles that you've got to. There's a new loop.
You're going to drop us off?
Professional.
I
like it.
Just check, see if you've got something that you
I'm
like.
sure they're great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much. Have you guys done it?
We
Or done parts?
When we were in our 20s, we did.
Yeah, okay.
I'm
Good.
not telling you how many years ago.
5. Good stuff. Take care, guys. Have a lovely day. Wow, what an adventure. What an adventure. See you on the next one.